Well, today is my birthday. My wife wanted to come to this park to look at the tulips. It's very busy, you can see. And in China there's a great love of flowers and nature. And wherever you go to places like this, you're going to see that there's going to be tons of people taking photos and just really appreciating nature and the beautiful landscape, the beautiful landscaping that happens in China. You see the sun through the flowers. Fashion grandma with her pajamas, sunglasses and pajamas. You can see how busy this is. Wow. Wow, there must be a million tulips here. And the band playing on, it's a bit of a festival. Little Bo Peep. Little Bo Peep, where's your sheep?
We're walking past.
Yeah, well, not through the flowers, I don't think that's a good idea. I suppose it is a path. No, there's a fence, I think. There's a fence. As soon as the sun shines in China, the umbrellas come out. All the grandmas having their picnic. Oh, Gambay. You want to go and see down there?
It's running to old
Yeah.
people standing.
Once again, you can see we're out in public and the majority of people are not wearing masks. You know, the fear of COVID is gone here in Wenzhou and probably the rest of China. We beat it. Regardless of whatever you think about the virus, we beat it. Well, the Chinese government and the Chinese people beat it. Not me, but yeah. Pretty old tree there with really big old root system. I'll try and zoom on it. Fashion landmark. These are all the fashion grandmas. Seems to be in sort of a community area where you can see all the old gaffers playing cards and stuff. The old gaffers all stand together, sat together, playing cards. Having a drink. Looks like a community, local community. They're having a beer. Some people having a beer. I see tea maybe. Yeah, it's usually tea. It's like a tea house, right? Very busy. Ni hao. We're playing Chinese checkers. More games going on here. Looks like it's Chinese chess or Chinese checkers. Okay, we've perambulated all the way around. We've gone all the way around there. You see the pagoda in the distance. I think we're going to go and try and find a cup of tea or something in a local shopping mall, which is over there. You can see there's loads of people here, loads of people turning up for this festival. Building here, look. The blue sky. A bunch of people having their photos taken. So all these people, according to their armbands, were in the same class and they're all members of the Red Army when they were young during the revolution. So they're having a class reunion and having being photographed for the class reunion. So these are the people who made China. Some people might argue they broke some of China as well, but it was the young people who made this country what it was. What it is. And now we're going to go to a very 21st century shopping mall. I stumbled then because there was a little girl almost tripping me over. Enough of that. To the gate. Now we've got the green, but they've got to wait. So this is called the White Horse Temple. We're walking down here to find a Huawei repair shop, but my wife just dropped her phone and we think she smashed the screen. So we have to find a repair while we're downtown. go down there or the next street. Anyway, let's see where we're going. This guy is recycling cardboard. That's how it's done in China.
Oh, this is another walking street.
Okay, where about is it? How far down? Yeah, let's have a look. Where we go? We've got to go down there and then round and then round again. It's not even here. Another 100 meters. Okay, a walking street. Let's go walking. Here, but here's another one of those majestic trees. That's probably over 100 years old. And we're hunting on the banks of a river. Like I said, we're hunting the Huawei repair shop. Have a look at your map.
It is
84 meters. Yeah, so we've got to go over the river. That's Honor, yeah, there's Frei. Nice river. Lots of share bikes. Lots of street cleaning always going on. Little coffee lab, a hole in the wall coffee shop, and there we are, our Frei. Let's hope there's not a big long queue in this Huawei. Oh my god, I think there is. Let's go and see what the queue's like.